I am out at Venetian Bay at Holiday Builders and was in the office and had a couple clients come in and had a little break. So I wanted to show you guys something. I'm out here at Venetian Bay, which is beautiful. But whenever you do a new home construction, one of the things that I do for my clients is I go out and I video the property in different stages, you know, from foundation to all the detail work, just in case you're out of state or just can't get by here. It gives you a kind of a visual inspection so that you can see that you know, they're putting a door in the right place, that has all the insulation in the ceiling, which is awesome that they do here. Just that everything looks right, you know, all the furring strips on the walls so they can do their drywall, how they do the plates and connect the trusses to the actual walls of the home, how the AC is put in, and then every once in a while we'll get it where, you know, the client will contact me back and say, man, I'm glad you did that because I wanted to put something in that wall and it showed me where the stud was. So it works out great. It's a good idea, and it's a service that you get for free just by using me for your new construction. And you can also see the type of materials that they use, you know, because like whenever I see stuff like this, I give you that information. And this is one that they're building right now, one that will be available soon. And beautiful, beautiful project. And we have some more all the way down to the trees. And see, I would be out there at this stage right here, where they're putting the footers in and they're putting the plumbing in, so you can see where everything is. And it's just a great thing, and it's also nice for a baby book for your home. So contact me, let me know what you think, and we'll see you guys later.